In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-page website using WordPress and Elementor, and how to convert a multi-page site into a single-page format. To get started, let's first navigate to your WordPress login page. This is where you'll need to enter your login credentials to gain access to your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to the dashboard. This is the control hub of your website, where you can manage posts, pages, and various other elements. Next, look for the Elementor option on the dashboard. Elementor is a robust page builder that allows you to design and customize your website with ease. Click on Elementor to open its interface. This will take you into a new realm of design possibilities with countless customization options at your fingertips. Here, you can either create a new page or begin editing an existing one. Moving on, we need to head back to the WordPress interface. Click on My Home, which is typically found on the left sidebar. This area showcases an overview of your website's current structure. If you're transitioning from a multi-page setup, this is where you can view all your existing pages at a glance. To create a new one-page site, we'll need to start by adding a new page. Click on the Add a Page button. This action will open up a blank canvas in Elementor, ready for you to design your new page. Remember, the goal of a one-page site is to streamline all essential information onto a single scrolling page. Think of it as a continuous narrative where visitors can effortlessly find content without navigating to multiple pages. While designing, focus on a clean and succinct layout. Utilize Elementor's drag and drop feature to insert widgets such as text blocks, images, and contact forms. Make sure each section of your page transitions smoothly to the next to maintain a logical flow. It's a great practice to integrate anchor links for each section, allowing users to jump to specific parts of the page seamlessly. For those converting a multi-page site, the task involves condensing the key information from your existing pages into this single page format. Prioritize content based on importance to ensure the most relevant details are showcased prominently. A one-page design is all about precision, so it's crucial to cut down any unnecessary content and highlight the essentials. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, it's time to publish your work. Double check that all links and functionalities are working as expected. And there you have it, a sleek, user-friendly one-page website created in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and happy designing! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your online presence.